In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you're not, this is definitely going to cheer you up. So sometimes what happens is that whenever you open WhatsApp, you may just see some deleted messages from a specific chat, and it could have been important. You would want to know what it was. I could show you how to recover these messages, be it text messages on this chat or pictures or videos or whatever it is. All I need you to do is watch my video till the end very carefully so that you do this properly. So the first thing is, I want you to get to Play Store and I want you to type in recover messages for WhatsApp. You would get an application that has recently been launched in the market known as recover messages for WhatsApp. So you click on this app and you install it. After you install it, I need you to open it. And after you open it, I want you to give all the permission access. And after you do that, I want you to click on WhatsApp. After you do that, you are going to be directed to the web version of WhatsApp in the application itself. Here, the next step is to log into your WhatsApp account. So what you could do is take a picture of this QR code real quick from another phone and scan that QR code with your WhatsApp scanner. So after you scan and log in, you have complete access to your WhatsApp account through WhatsApp Recover. Now, this application has complete access to your WhatsApp account. So whatever messages or photos or videos are being sent to your WhatsApp account is going to be backed up out here. So the next time if a chat is received by you and it is deleted, you are going to see that message on WhatsApp backup. So I will be going ahead and sending a message through that number to my phone. So just give me a moment here. So there were messages sent from the other number. So let's go ahead and see if these few deleted messages are actually there in a backup folder. So I open the application for WhatsApp Recover, and once I do that, you could see here that there's an ad. So you could close the ad and come to this section wherein you could see all the deleted messages for that specific chat. So these were the messages that were deleted, and if there were any pictures or videos sent, you could see it out here. Again, if there's an irritating ad, just skip that or close the ad, and you could see here that this was a picture that was sent which was deleted. So by utilizing this application, you could actually recover all your deleted messages going further on WhatsApp. So no matter which chat and how many messages get deleted, whatever messages are being deleted, you could go ahead and get a backup for all the deleted messages out here on WA Backup. If you did find my video interesting, give it a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.